Sometimes, buildings want to have access control placed on their elevators to control which users can access different floors. To set up elevator rules, start by opening the elevators page found on the customer dashboard. Now you need to build your elevator floor group. Start by clicking the yellow button labeled Add Floor Group. Give the elevator floor group a name and select the reader that was installed to control the elevator car. Next, click the button labeled Edit Floors and select which floors that members of this group can have access to, and click Save. Now that you've created an elevator floor group, you need to give a person or group permissions to it. Let's start by returning to the customer dashboard and clicking Groups. Then select which group you want to assign this rule to. Press the button labeled Add Rule and select the tab titled Elevator. From here, you can determine the schedule for this rule, always, recurring, or single date, and the authentication policy, card and/or PIN. Lastly, click the button labeled Edit Floor Groups and select the floor group you just created in the elevators page. Then hit Save. Make sure you click the Submit button on the bottom right corner. Now every member of that group will have access to the elevator floors that you've selected. You can also repeat the same process of an individual user in the People page if you want to give just one person a specific elevator rule. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.